Students, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed integration of sin square x. How can we find integration of sin square x? Sin square x equals 1 minus cos 2x by 2. If it is integration of cos square x, 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Integration of tan square x, secant square x minus 1. So integration of secant square x tan x minus 1 integration x. Similarly, integration of cot square x, cosec square x minus 1. Integration of secant square x, cosec square x, there are direct formulas. Next, integration of sin cube x, reduce the power by using sin 3x formula. Sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Or you can write sin square x into sin x. Let sin square x equal 1 minus cos square x, let cos x equal to 3. Like that also you can solve. Same procedure, integration of cos cube x. Integration of tan cube x, tan square into tan x. Tan square x equal to secant square x minus 1 and splitting. Same procedure for cot cube x. For integration of sec cube x and cosec cube x, we have not discussed. So integration of sin power 4x, sin square x whole square. Sin square x reduce the power, again whole square. Reduce the power till get the power is 1 and simplify and apply integration. Same procedure for cos power 4x. For tan power 4x, tan square x into tan square x. Secant square x minus 1 and splitting. Okay. Next, integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Integration of f dash x by f of x equal to log f of x. Integration of f dash x by root f of x equal to 2 root f of x plus c. Yes. Today, now we will discuss transformation problems. In first year, first year we have discussed. Let us recall the formulas of trigonometry. Formulas: 2 cos a or 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b equal to 2 sin a cos b equal to sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Understood? Next, 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b equal to sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Next, 2 cos a into cos b equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Next, minus 2 sin a into sin b equal to cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Or if it is plus 2 sin a into sin b equal to cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. This formula is very important. While finding integration, if product if comes, for example, integration of sin x sin 2x into cos x. If it is like this, product integration formula we don't know. So when product like this there, so it's look like this form, sin a cos b. Constant not there, constant is 2, so we can multiply. So multiply by 1 by 2, numerator and denominator, 2 sin 2x into cos x dx. If you take sin 2x equal t also, there is no cos 2x. Sin 2x equal t, sin 2x differentiation is cos 2x, but cos 2x not there. So in this case, how to solve? By using this formulas. Now it's look like 2 sin a cos b. Then into became a plus, transformation. Product became a either plus or minus. When it became a plus or minus means we can find integration easily. Are you following? So 1 by 2 integration of 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b formula. Generally big angle you consider as a, small angle considered as B. Just generally. Whatever it may be, we will get the answer same. No problem. Better is big angle considered as A, small angle considered as B. Tell me 2 sin A cos B. Formula sin of A 2x plus B x plus sin of A 2x minus x dx equal to half into integration of sin 3x plus sin x dx. Okay, now see, into big M plus. Now we can find integration easily. Tell me sin 3x integration. 1 by 2 minus cos 3x by 3. Sin x integration minus sin x minus cos x plus c. Finish. This is the way to find integration if like this product of two terms, either sin or cos. If it is this form, use these formulas. These are methods. Are you following? So this type of problems are there in textbook. So those first we will practice. First question is, in example, integration of sin 2x into cos 3x dx. Sin 2x into cos 3x dx. See which form it contains? Sin A cos B or cos A sin B. Generally we will take big angle as A, small angle as B. So then which is the form of cos A sin B. Multiply by 2. Numerator and denominator. 2 cos 3x into sin 2x. Which is in the form of 2 cos A sin B. Tell me 2 cos A sin B equal formula. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. 1 by 2 integration of sin of A 3x plus B 2x minus sin of 3x minus 2x dx. So 1 by 2 integration of sin 5x minus sin x dx. So 1 by 2 sin 5x integration minus cos 5x by 5. Sin x integration minus cos x plus cos x plus c. Next. Integration of exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3. Integration of sin 3x and cos 4x. Sin 3x into cos 4x dx. This is second. Exercise 7.3 second problem. Now I am discussing similar problems once because we can understand easily. Okay? Integration of sin 3x cos 4x. Which form it contains? Cos A sin B. Multiply by 2. Integration of sin 3x into cos 4x dx equal to multiply by 2 numerator and denominator 2 cos 4x into sin 3x. Why should multiply by 2 numerator and denominator? To get formula which in the form of 2 cos A sin B. Tell me 2 cos A sin B formula. Sin of integration sin of A plus B 4x plus 3x minus sin of 4x minus 3x into dx. 1 by 2 integration of sin of 7x minus sin of x dx. So 1 by 2 sin 7x integration minus cos 7x minus cos 7x by 7 minus plus cos x plus c. Exercise 7.3 question number 7. Integration sin 4x into sin 8x dx. Sin 4x into sin 8x dx. Yes, if you multiply by 2, 1 by 2 sin 8x into sin 4x. Which form it contain? 2 sin A into sin B equal formula sin of A, cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Okay, integration 1 by 2 integration of 2 sin A cos B equal to cos of A 8x minus B 4x minus cos of A 8x plus 4x dx. And 1 by 2 integration of cos of 4x minus cos of 12x into dx. 1 by 2 cos 4x integration, sin 4x by 4, sin 4x by 4 minus cos 12x integration, sin 12x by 12 plus c. Are you following? This type of problem, if comes, use the transformation problems. See, very easy. Product there. So if product is there, how to convert either plus or minus? Transform. Sign changes by using transformation formulas. So that is the use of transformation formulas. So here we can find integration easily. If your product is there, no, we can't find it. Some students, what they will do, finding this integration. See, integration of sin 4x into integration of sin 8x. They will write sin 4x integration cos 4x minus cos 4x by 4 into sin 8x integration cos 8x minus cos 8x by 8. That is the wrong way. Okay? Are you following? So, if the product is there, make it either convert plus or minus in between. Use transformation formulas. If there is no problem, if it is not possible transformation formulas, then use other formulas or another method, substitution method. Okay. Next, the question number third. Question number third in exercise 7.3. First we will discuss later. First question. Second we have discussed. Third we are going to discuss. Seventh already we have discussed. Third question. Integration cos 2x into cos 4x into cos 6x dx. Cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. There are product of 3 terms also. Okay. Now we have discussed product of 2 terms. Okay. The way of simplifying C, which is equal to 1 by 2 cos. First write big angle 4x into cos 2x into cos 6x. Can I write like this? Multiply by 2. Numerator and denominator. Then this form is in the form of 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B formula. 2 cos A cos B equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. 1 by 2 integration cos of A 4x plus B 2x plus cos of A minus B 4x minus 2x into cos 6x dx. 1 by 2 integration of cos of 6x plus cos of 2x into cos 6x dx. Multiply 1 by 2 integration of this into this cos square 6x plus cos 2x into cos 6x dx. This is square is there, cos square x. Yesterday we have discussed. cos square x reduce the power 1 plus cos 2x by 2, that concept. Here again product is there, again multiply by 2, we'll get 2 cos a cos b formula. Okay, splitting here 1 by 2 integration of cos square 6x dx, bracket close, plus here integration cos 6x into cos 2x dx. Here can I multiply by 2, numerator and denominator. Then 2 cos a cos b form. Okay, 1 by 2 integration cos square 6x equal to 1 plus cos of 12x by 2. Are you following? Cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Then cos square 6x equal to 1 plus cos 2 into x, 6x, 12x by 2. See, power reduces power 1 plus 1 by 2. 2 cos a cos b formula, 2 cos a cos b formula, cos of a plus b, 6x plus 2x plus cos of a minus b, 6x minus 2x. Understood? Now 1 by 2 is overall common, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 5. Integration. So integration 1 plus cos 12x dx plus integration cos of 8x plus cos of 4x dx. Here dx. 1 by 4 integration of 1x, integration of cos 2x sin 12x by 12 plus cos 8x integration sin 8x by 8 plus cos 4x integration sin 4x by 4 plus c. Next, this type of model, question number 6 in exercise 7.3. Integration sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x dx. Same procedure, multiply by 2, numerator and denominator, 2 sin 2x into sin x into sin 3x dx. Any you can take any two product, either these two or these two, any one. No change, absolutely same. Okay, it may be different form, but answer is same. 1 by 2 into, this in the form of 2 sin a sin b, 2 sin a sin b formula, 2 sin a sin b equal to cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. 1 by 2 integration 2 sin a sin b equal to cos of 2x minus x minus cos of 2x plus x into sin 3x dx equal to 1 by 2 integration of cos x minus cos 3x into sin 3x dx. So 1 by 2 multiply cos x into sin 3x minus cos 3x into sin 3x dx. Both are product, multiply by 2 again, 1 by 4, then integration of 2 cos x into sin 3x minus 2 sin 3x into cos 3x dx. This in the form of 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b formula, 2 sin a cos b equal to sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Next, integration 1 by 4 integration of 2 cos A sin B equal to 2 sin A cos B equal to sin of A plus B, sin of A 3x plus x plus sin of 3x minus x minus, what about 2 sin 3x into cos 3x? Sin
cos 2x.
sin 2x, sin 2x, sin 2 theta formula 2 sin theta into cos theta. Angle same here. Here angles are different. Oh, here angle is same. Okay, then 2 sin A cos A equal to sin 2A. Then sin 2 into A 3x sin 6x. Or use formula also 2 sin A sin B formula. We'll get same thing only. So instead of using that formula, this formula also you can use here. 2 sin A cos B, this formula. Sin A plus B, 3x plus 3x, 6x. Here 3x minus 3x, 0. So sin 6x will be sin 6x into dx. So 1 by 4 integration of sin 4x plus sin 2x minus sin 6x dx. 1 by 4 sin 4x integration minus cos 4x by 4 sin 2x integration cos 2x by 2 sin 6x integration minus plus cos 6x by 6 plus 6. Yes. Okay. This is we have done by using transformation formulas. Now let's discuss the remaining problem in exercise 7.3. Question number 1. Question number 1. Integration sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Yesterday we have discussed in the form of sin square theta. If sin square theta integration, if it's sin square theta, how we done yesterday? 1 minus sin square theta equal formula 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So integration, this is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta 2x plus 5 by 2 into dx, which is equal to 1 by 2 is constant, 1 minus cos of 4x plus 10 into dx. 1 by 2 integration of 1 x minus cos 4x plus 10 integration sin 4x plus 10 by 4x plus 10 differentiation 4 by 4 plus second order, third order. Next, the fourth question. Integration of sin cube of 2x plus 1 dx, which in the form of sin cube x. Yesterday we have discussed sin cube x is there, but reduce the power. Tell me sin cube x, sin cube theta formula 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Now it is equal integration sin cube 2x plus 1 equal to 3 sin of theta 2x plus 1 minus sin of 3 into 2x plus 1 by 4 into dx. 1 by 4 constant, 3 into sin of 2x plus 1 minus sin of 6x plus 3 into dx. Correct? 1 by 4, 3 sin integration minus cos of 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 differentiation 2. Next, minus sin of 6x plus integration plus cos of 6x plus 3 by 6 plus c. Simplify or take off. Next one. Question number 5. Question number 5. Integration of sin cube x into cos cube x dx. Product is there. Yes. If it is like this, first of all, we should write like this. Multiply by 1 by 8, numerator and denominator. Why I will tell? Sin cube x, cos cube x. Can I write like this? 1 by 8, 2 sin x into cos x whole cube. Then 2 sin x into cos x equal sin 2x. Product cancel, vanishes. Here there are product of two terms here. Now we will get 1 by 2, 2 sin a cos b equal to sin 2x. 2 sin a cos b. Sin 2x. Sin 2x. Sin 2x whole cube into dx. See, there are product of two terms, sin and cos cube. Now we make single term. Sin cube x 1 by 8 integration 3 sin 2x minus sin 3 2x by 4 into dx equal to 1 by 8 into 4, 1 by 32, 3 sin 2x minus sin 6x dx. 1 by 32, 3 sin 2x integration minus cos 2x by 2 minus plus cos 6x by 6 plus 6th we have discussed, 6th over, 7th also over, 8th question. Integration of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. No u by v. So far you have not discussed u by v. You have to simplify if it is like this. Product if there also we should simplify by using transformation formula or denominator formulas. Now 1 minus cos x equal formula 2 sin square x by 2. Right, 2 sin square x by 2. Most important. 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2. 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. Get cancelled. Tan square x by 2. So tan square x by integration, how we can find? Secant square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Secant square x integration, tan x by 2 divided by x by 2 differentiation, 1 by 2, right in the denominator, minus 1 integration x plus c. Out 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Question number 9. Integration of cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. Cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. One plus cos x equal to here cos x by cos x. Here 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Denominator we have converted to the half angle. Then numerator also converted to the half angle. Cos 2 theta formula, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Yes. What about cos theta equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 in half angle. Like that, cos x equal to, tell me, cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 dx. Finish. Splitting this by this, cos square x by 2 cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. This get cancelled, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 tan square x by 2 dx. Finish 1 by